Hi, I'm Andy, owner of Sonic Solutions. While hot melt laser filters are the most common part we clean in the recycling industry, there are also other parts like the blade housing, pelletizing head and breaker plate that get contaminated with both plastic and non-plastic waste. Conventional burn-off and jet washing doesn't always get them completely clean, with the result that your production slows or even stops, and downstream the laser filters can get blocked and even burst and need replacing. The solution? Using a combination of cleaning processes, we can remove virtually all contaminants from every part in the recycling process, leaving you with a nearly new part at a fraction of the new cost. This increases throughput, reduces downtime, and significantly reduces the cost of replacement parts you face. One customer doubled their production cycle as a result of us cleaning their breaker plate at little extra cost. We've saved companies like Polycore, Axion and Bright Green time and money cleaning all their recycling extrusion parts. Reliable, consistent, hassle-free. It's what you ask of us, it's what we deliver.